Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove margin from last page in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Docs document. Now we can see here some pages. Now we want to remove the margin from the last page. At first, separate the last page. Now I am go to the last page, before page, then click the last. Click the insert option, choose the break. Now I am select the section break continuous. Then go to the last page first and select the insert option, choose header. Now you can see here the section 2 or the another pages are section 1. Now I am check mark of the link to previous. Then go to the file menu, select the page setup and change the margin 0.5 or you can decrease another. Then click OK. Now click inside the page. We can see we remove the margin only on the last page easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.